How to fix Spotify app crashing on Android. So if you're facing this issue within your Android device, the first thing that you can immediately try out is try to clear out the app cache. Simply tap and hold the app of Spotify, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage, and right here you should be able to see the option called clear cache. Alongside that, what you can also try out is tap on the clear all data. This will also log you out of your account, so make sure you log in back and try to see if the issue is solved. If the issue still persists, then the second thing that you need to ensure is that you have enough storage so that the application can run smoothly. If you even do not have 1 to 2 GB of free storage within your device, this may be causing this exact issue. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you and none of these are your cases, then lastly what you can try out is just try to reinstall the application of Spotify onto your device. So this ensures that you have the latest version. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.